Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Rings and Things. I love putting things together that you wouldn't expect, like these antique silver-plated beads that are brass and cornerless cubes, and these really cool Baroque coin pearls that are prestige. And I added in a little help from some daisy spacers and some 15-0 seed beads and a few ball head pins. I wire wrapped those prestige Baroque pearls onto the head pins and I set all of them aside. I used 6 of them and I just did a nice little wire wrap and created loops so that I can string them onto my beading wire. I used Beadalon 19 strand beading wire for this project. I think it's perfect for the weight of the beads that are involved. Those cornerless cube beads are really heavy. So I'm going to cut that strand. I'm going to pull off some beads. These are just such cool beads. They're heavy, weighty, fun beads. And because they are cubes, you do need to add some level of separation between them so they will move and not create just a straight bracelet. I learned that the hard way years ago. Anyways, I'm stringing on a daisy spacer around each of the cubes and then some seed beads in between. Once I've got the first side of my bracelet strung, then I'm stringing on all of those wire wrapped pearls, and they are so beautiful. They make such a pretty little cluster at the center of the bracelet. I just think that this is such an obscure combination of things that it works. So I'm sizing up the bracelet, looks good. I'm going to use some size 2 crimp tubes and a little bit of French wire to create my closure. So I'm going to add a crimp tube and about 1/2 inch of French wire, and I'm just going to crimp in a loop of that French wire to be able to add a lobster claw to close this off. So I'm crimping that on. Then I'm going to add the same amount of French wire and a crimp on the other side and add my lobster claw. I love how this came out. It's so much fun, so interesting and unique. You can find everything to make this bracelet at ringsandthings.com. Thank you so much for watching.